Brought the kids with me today. Ooh, they trying to outwalk me though. I ain't gonna fall for it. I'm fat. Rain, rain, go away. It's getting heavy, Riz. Thank you, baby. Look at that. That's chivalrous. Oops. We are out here. You traveling? She traveling. That's the second one. I noticed. One day, the last time she was out here with me, I almost fell off on top of her. Whew. I got the traveling so bad. That's another thing I don't like about the treadmill. You travel a little bit on that treadmill, you even fell on top of your head. What's the matter?
My arm was hurting.
Oh.
You didn't do it flawless.
All right, Beyonce.
They burning?
Your arm?
Not my legs.
Oh, your legs?
They hurt.
That's why I tell you, pace yourself. Don't try to walk too fast.
All right. Hold on.
No, come on. He like, shoot. You ain't said nothing but look, he applied the brakes quick. Hell no. Say you ain't said nothing but a word. Funny.
It was so simple too.
Right.
It's not raining that much now.
Yeah. I forgot to put on lotion too. Look down. I need that water. I need that.
Me and lotion.
Lord, I'm hoping my ankles start getting sweaty. Shit. Praying. Whew. These people don't be seeing me like that.
My underpit's sweating.
Mine too, boy.
Mine about that.
And I got on a gray shirt. I don't care.
Oh, me too today. Oh my God.
Oh, me too.
We'll go home and change our shirts.
I want people to see my work.
Oh,
Lord
I got a
Jesus.
sleeveless shirt
Look, I'm
on.
be like
Oh.
people.
Sleeveless.
Oh. Yeah, but we're gonna be sweaty when we get there though.
I mean,
They be like, this bitch came with built-in sweat. She ain't doing shit today. It's like, how your t-shirt come with sweat?
what we gonna eat after? We eat nothing.
I don't know. Protein, definitely. Some protein.
Oh, you don't want no.
What's that?
Again.
Oh, stop it. Wasabi.
No.
Get some saucy or crab.
Right.
We've been
No, I ain't going there.
but,
No, they gonna say, okay, sit me down and call the cops. I'm not doing it.
Come on, Kiki. Let's just go outside.
Because he just come here and just grabs on me like for no reason.
Stay outside. I mean, I'm
Yeah,
talking about in
the getaway driver.
No, I'm talking about in outside dining area.
Oh, no, because the security guard, I told you, everybody was like, no, you can't do that. Everybody. Y'all didn't see what he did to me, though.
But I was saying we could go get chicken salad.
Where did we go? Oh, Bucharest.
Did you like that salad?
It was all right. I couldn't eat it all.
Yeah, that's how I like it.
Yeah, Meme had the other half of mine.
Oh.
Yeah, hamburger and the other half of mine.
But I didn't eat the same day.
Nah, he didn't. Can somebody fix my strap? You just got to put it in the loop. Thanks. All right. Whew. What'd you say? Oh yeah, the wood. Be motherfucking careful.
Mommy, you know it's not raining no more.
Shut up. You hear that snapping? That's water falling on my umbrella. What is he doing? We're not chasing each other. We are here together. I do. Oh. We only in number 2. We got one more to go.
I know for the break.
Yeah. Oh, that's a big one.
Good, how are you?
See, man, you failed. When somebody speaks to us and asks us how, you supposed to say they're good, thank you.
No, he is good on that.
Oh, wow.
When he is so good on that. He is great on that, actually.
Well, he be answering for you.
They good.
Don't worry about them, they all right.
When he with me, he be like, she good. Real loud. She good.
And keep moving. Nothing to see here.
Oh yeah, that guy that was on the porch, remember he was like, nah, she alright.
Hell no. None of that.
Good on
It's annoying sometimes.
Do it, man.
that. And he don't like
Well, when you with beautiful ladies.
No, he don't like when people look at me when we be walking, when we used to walk, and people be in the car looking at me. Remember, be like,
What you looking at? Y'all ain't do that for me.
When?
Shit. Y'all be like, Mama, he looking at your booty.
eh, dude, yeah, we shouldn't do that.
Shit, these damn ghetto kids. Like, stop looking at my mama butt.
House. 3 years old and still drinking Similac. You smack me and I'll smack your back, punk.
You know they will.
What's the crunch to this music?
Oh, it is Father's Day. I forgot about that.
What's that?
Father's Day, so people will probably be out here if they can. Shit, motherfuckers determined, I think so.
Yeah, that's why I was like, what you want for Father's Day?
Nothing. You know that.
You ain't got no father.
I just be talking. You know I just be talking. Whew. Oh, Lord. Got that on video.
Yeah.
Sure did. Everybody that know you know that happens. Everybody.
I'm not gonna be able to move.
She gonna be drenched. She like, come on here. You need both of them to walk? You already got 2 legs that you're using. Uh-oh. Whew. She about to fall instantly. I told her punk ass to bring that goddamn umbrella. No, oh, now you gonna say no, I didn't?
Did you tell Mama?
Yeah.
Tell me?
Oh, probably so. But I asked about the rain though. You said it was supposed to rain all day though. Yeah, it's coming down now. Yeah, right. That's because you ain't got no body weight. Man could probably Jesus walk the park. That's no leg movement. He's so light. Yeah, okay.
Let the branch have it.
We're on 2, right?
Yeah, this is the middle of 2.
Okay.
We coming up on 3 when we get to the car. But you know, like I said, take a break whenever. When I first started coming out here, I couldn't do 2.
Yeah, go.
I couldn't even do 2 without breaking. Shit, I was pushing it on 3. I remember the first time I did 4 laps, man, I was damn near dead. And then I left abruptly.
Oh, you are on video.
Right.
Ooh, that rain getting intense. But we still are out here, as Ria's church says.
I need to work first. I need money. I'm so broke. Let me get over.
They doing good though. Now she want it, look. Now she like, don't take it. I don't got enough.
I was told him I was going back a little bit.
Oh. You know I can't hear what y'all talking about. I'm just making up all the commentary. Really? Well, break after this one.
Okay.
You said you feel groggy.
You feel like jogging.
Oh, well, shit. Go ahead, big bro. Show off for the camera.
You didn't bring water.
You didn't bring water, Riz? Oh, my gosh. Did we rush you or something?
No. I just forgot a lot of stuff I needed.
This time I brought everything.
And
Sweat belt.
I forgot the stuff that you didn't bring last time.
Oh, you didn't get your belt?
Oh, I did.
Yeah, I brought the sweat belt, the back belt, everything. Gloves. Slow down. If you get tired, slow down.
No.
That's one thing I hate about the treadmill. You have to adjust your speed manually. You can't just, you know, ease up when you need to. You said what? Yeah, well, when you go high intensity and then you come back down, you do feel like noodles. Then slow down.
You want to park something?
What's the matter? Just say what you need. Okay. Oh, that's what happens. That do happen. Because of them pants rubbing up against your legs.
You ready?
No, yeah.
And if you need to go a little slower, we can go a little slower. Steps are steps, no matter how fast you take them.
Be careful, man.
Yes, please.
Slide into water here.
Oh, yes. Oh, you slapped me right in the...
I'm so sorry. Man, they used to do that to me when we be walking.
Not holding the trees for you, too?
Yeah, he be. And then make it slap, right?
The same rules apply as with the doors.
I be trying to hold the tree for her.
Like, you took too long. I'm at the end of the branch. Look, I'm at the end of the branch now.
If you ain't fast that way, you're slap him too.
Look like clear skies are coming up. Yeah, because it's a hard step down right there. It be hurting my back.
Your back is sensitive.
It is. That's why I'm trying to get it stronger. Because when we made that other video, when I watched it, I realized how much I was complaining, you know, about my back. Oh no, my back. Oh, I don't think I can do it because of my back. My back, my back, my back.
My neck, my back.
My neck was getting jealous.
You know that, you know,
My neck is my back.
Huh?
You know that fish off SpongeBob where he always be like, my leg.
Yeah. Yeah, so I did notice I was complaining quite a bit. So I'm just gonna shut the fuck up this time. And see if that works. It was to the point where it was fucking annoying to me, so.
You slow. I meant move it down.
I'm sorry, man. I'm all on him. I'm all, look, this I am. Sorry.
That's your support system. He's like, well, who the heck is mine?
Right.
I told you I need
Nah, I'm
all
the
my...
one that keeps veering over to your
Man,
side.
leave me alone. Go this way.
Oh, no. Oh, all right.
Oh, are you holding that?
No.
Y'all so silly. You say you tired off that.
Give me more energy in my legs. That feels better.
What, to take those long steps?
Yeah.
Yeah, stretch your muscle out.
Ow.
Riz, I was about to slide into a tree.
He even bumped me with an umbrella.
Riz, I'm gonna teach you how to put the umbrella down. Like that. That's not how you do it.
Shut the hell up. I got by that tree though.
Look. It's like this. You weave it this way.
Look, no, stop it. Hey, you so stupid.
I can't breathe with y'all. Oh my God.
It's shit. It looked like you was fighting a tree. It looked like you was blocking an attack. Shit. He's like,
That is too funny.
all the water from the umbrella.
Right, I know. I think the face was the umbrella.
Oh. Y'all funny.
Oh.
Now you're doing it.
Yeah, I know. I've been
Hey,
doing
please. Please. I'm trying to keep my hands to where I need you to be. You move it to me. You move it to me.
Stop that there. Hey.
This is why I enjoy having company. It's just not this entertaining listening to the radio. Goodness.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Your shoulder ain't had shit to worry about. That mug was covered.
We doing good today.
Oh yeah, definitely.
My booty wasn't hurting anything. So if you don't get out of my way tomorrow,
Man, you should have all the space with your little narrow self.
No, because you know we got the umbrella and I'm trying to keep her in.
It picked up a little bit.
yeah, it did.
They determined they gonna get their spot and stick it out, boy. Them people down there, they say they getting a gazebo today. I couldn't be out on the water like that in the rain. It would just scare the shit out of me. Like the devil would just find me out in all of that water in that metal boat and tear my little ass up.
I'm keep slapping that man, but I'm sorry.
Make it feel good about itself.
Good game.
That's why I gotta keep my arm like this.
That's all right after this one. When we get our 10 minutes. They crazy. That's why I said I could not be out there on the water like that. That is insane. Like the lightning is just gonna find you. They the only ones out there.
Oh, it was some people
Oh.
down farther than Canada.
They looking at us like, look at them fools. Look at them fools walking in the rain.
But they the one in the middle of the lake.
I know that's for real.
In the middle of
Because I couldn't do it. Smell like firecrackers. Don't you smell it? Nah, you couldn't in this weather. You're right, that is slippery.
You just go real quick. Well, hurry up and go.
I got you.
Oh, look at pretty flowers. Oh no, the devil.
Y'all want to take that break soon, huh?
There's always water to make
They gonna get sick. Oh no, they got them bags. Who said umbrella hat? Lord. Okay, you guys. Mother Nature wins. My toes feel like jam for real. But shout out to these people that say they're gonna get that gazebo regardless. They say it can't rain forever. So we got 3 miles in. I got 2 miles to go. I could choose to do them at home or at the gym. And I guarantee you I will not go to the gym and spend an hour or 40 minutes, that is, on the treadmill because I just won't do it. Because it's senseless. I have a treadmill at home, so. Goose?
Look at all those chickens.
Riz, you gonna bring the umbrella next time? But alas, we have 2 people on the budgie system. They talking about me, I hear them.
No, we're talking about how close we are.
Your face safe. She looked over, that bug was in her eyeball.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Fuck it, Riz, go get the car.
Maya, we on our last round. Stop.
My special little baby's off camera, you guys. Oh yeah? Did you pick out some workouts you wanted to do at the gym?
Yeah.
What you gonna do today? You going, man? Why you always look stupid when I ask you that?
That's his answer.
You're right.
My feet's soaking.
Oh
Oh, it's nasty.
no. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
You lying.
No, I'm not.
Well, why put off tomorrow what you can do today? That's a whole saying.
Whatever.
We all under the same. We are so silly. Y'all will know that me and my family are the silliest people you'll ever meet. When we're together, that is. When we're around other people, we stare at you funny. I wash my clothes Monday in secret by myself. I said, you know what? I'm gonna go to the laundry. I'm practicing doing things as a single woman without kids because my kids are almost grown. So I try to practice doing single shit. Like washing only my clothes. Shit like that. See how that feels. Less than 15. I heard you whisper about me.
I didn't say nothing.
They be talking about me all the time.
You can get all over my face.
Oh, my foot.
Oh, crab legs? You get crab legs without it?
Oh my God.
Did you hear me on the phone?
What?
What are you talking about?
He said he was using
Oh my
crab
God.
legs
It's
Monday.
so quick to tell.
I want crab legs too.
The things that I do for myself are for me.
You had those big.
Y'all go get hamburgers.
I mean 30.
Y'all go get snacks,
What are you talking about?
ice cream.
No, not snacks.
No,
We
we
Go
don't.
get snacks.
No, we do not.
Cause she sneaks and gets them herself without you.
No, I don't.
Yeah.
I don't eat that no more.
He like, do you?
But no, we'll get snacks. You just get fast food.
No, man, I'm in the water.
Girl, come on. My feet hurt. My feet hurt.
We're almost done, y'all. We right here.
So I could be in the water until we done?
No, I'm sorry. My bad. We're gonna pick up when we're at the gym, all dry, feet fresh again, out of the rain.
Oh.
You see my son abuse me? The video was still going. You see that video?
Like, what are you doing?
Yeah, I feel too.
He just pushed me all out in the street.
I just like the sound of it.